Did you know this? It's a startling revelation for many. Many doctors now say so, and the medical community is increasingly alarmed. Over half of all deaths worldwide are linked to inflammation-related diseases. This statistic is not just a number, it's a wake-up call. This is a shocking number, and it demands our immediate attention. Our modern diets play a huge role. Fast foods and sugary snacks are more than just guilty pleasures. They are making us sick, contributing to a cycle of poor health. This hidden fire is spreading, and we need to act now. It's a silent epidemic. It is a serious health crisis. Chronic inflammation is different. It's insidious and persistent. It is a long-term, low-level fire that smolders inside you, silently damaging your body over time. Modern life often promotes this bad inflammation. Our hectic lifestyles add fuel to the fire. We eat too many processed foods, full of sugar and unhealthy fats, and lacking vital nutrients. This diet is a recipe for disaster. Chronic inflammation becomes common as a response to constant stress. Stress is a silent contributor. This chronic inflammation is a silent enemy lurking beneath the surface. We can fight back with food. A diet rich in fresh vegetables and fruits can be our strongest ally. What are plant-based proteins? They come from plants, not animals. Think of beans and lentils, nuts and seeds. Quinoa and tofu are also great. These foods are packed with goodness. They offer more than just protein. They are nature's medicine, helping protect your health and fight inflammation naturally. Plant proteins have many benefits. They are rich in fiber, which feeds good gut bacteria. Healthy gut bacteria reduce inflammation. Plants also have antioxidants. Antioxidants fight cell damage, which can cause inflammation. Phytonutrients in plants are also key. These compounds have anti-inflammatory effects. Choosing plant proteins is a smart move. Let's use them more often for a healthier, less inflamed life. Chronic inflammation has serious health impacts. It is linked to many top killer diseases. Heart disease is a major one. Inflammation damages blood vessels. Type 2 diabetes is another. Inflammation can affect insulin resistance. Arthritis means inflamed joints. Even some cancers are inflammation-driven. Alzheimer's disease shows links too. Our common dietary habits are to blame. Many people eat a Western-style diet. This diet is high in processed foods, full of refined sugars. Unhealthy fats are also common, like trans fats and too much omega-6. Processed meats are another problem. This imbalance fuels the fire. Changing our diet is crucial. Section 4. Powerful plant foods against inflammation. In this section, we explore the incredible benefits of plant-based foods that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Lentils are true nutritional heroes. These small legumes are not only versatile but also incredibly nutritious. They are packed with plant protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. They are also full of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting regular bowel movements. This fiber is great for your gut, as it feeds the beneficial bacteria that reside there, promoting a balanced microbiome. A healthy gut means less inflammation, which can lead to improved overall health and well-being. Lentils provide iron and folate, two essential nutrients that support energy levels and help prevent anemia. These nutrients support overall health, contributing to a strong immune system and better energy levels. They are easy to cook, making them a convenient option for quick and healthy meals. They are very affordable too, making them accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. Add lentils to soups and stews for a hearty, nutritious boost that will keep you satisfied. Quinoa is another fantastic choice. This ancient grain is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It is a complete protein, which means it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. This means it has all 9 essential amino acids, making it a perfect addition to any diet. Quinoa is rich in magnesium. Magnesium helps fight inflammation and supports muscle and nerve function. It also contains antioxidants. These protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Chickpeas or garbanzo beans are amazing. They are a staple in many cuisines around the world. They deliver lots of healthy fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Section 5. Proof in plants, turning the tide on inflammation. In this section, we delve into the remarkable power of plant-based diets and their role in combating inflammation. Scientific studies show plants work. The evidence is compelling and continues to grow. Many researchers have studied this. Their findings consistently highlight the benefits of plant-based nutrition. One large study looked at diets. It spanned various demographics and dietary habits. It tracked thousands of people. The study meticulously followed their eating patterns and health outcomes. It measured their inflammation levels. This was done through regular blood tests. They used a marker called C-reactive protein. CRP is a reliable indicator of inflammation. CRP levels show inflammation in the body. Elevated levels can signal chronic health issues. High CRP is not good. It is associated with a higher risk of diseases. The study found something important: a significant correlation between diet and inflammation. People eating more plant-based foods showed lower CRP. Their inflammation levels were notably reduced. Those who ate lots of fruits, fresh, vibrant, and nutrient-rich, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are packed with anti-inflammatory properties. They had significantly less inflammation. Their overall health improved. Their risk for chronic diseases was lower. This includes heart disease, diabetes, and more. This shows a clear connection. Diet directly impacts inflammation. The right foods can make a big difference. Eating more plants helps cool the fire. This is powerful evidence. Let's fight inflammation together. Embrace a plant-based diet for a healthier, inflammation-free life.